Get ready to learn something amazing. Welcome to Spirotech 365. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do something incredible, step by step, in just a few minutes. So, let's get started and make today the day you take your skills to the next level. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a text shake color effect in After Effects. This is really easy to accomplish in After Effects, and it's a wonderful effect to use for regular films. First, we make text using the shortcut Ctrl-T. For a nice effect, it's recommended to use at least 3 words. Now give the text a position and copy and paste the text. Now go to the Effects and Presets and search for Wiggle and use the Position Wiggle effect added to the bottom layer of the 2. Go now to the Control panel. Finally, go to the Control panel and set the Wiggle speed value to 6 and the Wiggle amount value to 10. Now change the color on the bottom layer of the 2. Choose a different color for each text for the best effect. Copy now the first layer of the 2 and put it a bit further down the timeline like I do. Now give the text a different position and change the text of that text layer. Also gives a lower layer of the 2 the wiggle effect. Now change the color on the bottom layer of the 2. Choose a different color so like we also did on the first one, and I'll set the wiggle speed value to 6 and set the wiggle or amount value to 10. Now do the exact same thing with your other text. For a nice effect similar to do what I do. You can also change the colors of the words to color the foreground instead of the background so like I do. Now we need to add some zoom, and that is very easy to do. Select all the text layers and create a composition of the text layers. Select composition and press on I to go to the beginning. Press S to open the scale. Create a keyframe for scale, then press O to go to the end of the composition and make the scale bigger. Select all the keyframes and hold down Ctrl. We are clicking on them. There we go. Now you have created a very nice shape color text effects in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative, entertaining, or whatever it is that you were looking for. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We love hearing from our viewers, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family if you think they would enjoy it too. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.